Waziri wa barabara na uchukuzi Kipchumba Murkomen alishuhudia utiaji mikataba ya utendakazi ya makatibu wakuu wa idara ya barabara za serikali na idara ya uchukuzi pamoja na wasimamizi wa idara za serikali chini ya wizara ya uchukuzi katika makao makuu ya uchukuzi. Murkomen amewataka maafisa hao kushirikiana ili kutimiza malengo yote katika idara zao na kutoa huduma bora kwa wakenya.
It's not enough to just try to achieve what we have written here, but also it's important for us to think beyond what we've written here, because as time goes, you have new ideas, new sources of financing, new conversations like the ones we've just had in the African Climate Summit. And so that gives us an idea of what else we can achieve as a ministry. I want to request all of us to take this exercise very seriously. We're going to sign, yes, the performance contract, but also let's take the contents of what we've written very seriously. We had a very good meeting with the managing directors and the management here on the other week in Naivasha. We are organizing another meeting with all the board members. This ministry is extremely important, and this department is extremely important for the people of Kenya, because we do a lot insofar as trade facilitation is concerned. We facilitate business, both movement of people and goods. And so the investment in this sector, everything to do with facilitating this movement has an impact on Kenyans and beyond. So road transport, whether it is the railway, whether it is the airport, whether it's the port, everything here determines the image of Kenya to the world.